YouTube Nation, welcome back for vlog 2, week number 2 for going out and trying to find some good things. We visit several different shops this time around. We see some good stuff. Comment down below, tell me what you would have picked up. Did we miss anything that was cool or not cool? Still out trying to find several things in the wild. It really makes it hard to do these new toy things. Do have a new series coming soon that's going to maybe take place of these, and you'll have to tell me what you think about those when we get to it. But for now, let's check out and see what are at the shops today. All right, I believe we're starting off at a Walmart here. We start with the WWE section. Really, when we're searching for WWE, we're looking for mostly elites or ultimate stuff or just anything that really just jumps off the table, which really didn't there. Looking for just favorite wrestlers or something that's neat. Raquel Gonzalez there, that's going to be a peg warmer for a long time. Look how many Green Lanterns there are there for days. Green Lanterns. Ugh, not going to be sold too much. Batman stuff. We got Marvel stuff, Black Panther stuff, Captain America. We get into the Jurassic World / Jurassic Park. We're into the Transformers. I'm really looking for that new kind of movie. That's the Soundwave, or that's the Starscream. Really looking for Hound, but I'm gonna have to pull the trigger on the Starscream because it's pretty cool. We end up going back to the back to where the electronics is. A little Foot Clan 4-pack it looked like. A little Black Noir. Let's see what else we got. I thought this was a cool little 4-pack. This Batman the Animated Series. If you'll notice, Batman didn't have a head, so that's not very good. So we passed on that. We got the movie 2-packs. We got Splinter. We got Shredder. Several of those. We've got the Turtle Horror. Just nothing really that's fancy. Funko Pop wise, we're kind of looking Harry Potter. We're looking for anything that we really collect, which is at this point really just Harry Potter stuff. Some Moon Knight, some stuff, some Marvel, but not really much other. A lot of art series and stuff. Going back, I don't know if this is a different, I think this is a Target actually. So yeah, there's the Batman, the 64, the G.I. Joe stuff. There's a big Groot. Still Marvel. A lot of Black Panther stuff. A lot of the new Marvel Legends. Scanning over here. Micro Machines, which I thought was a neat thing. That was kind of a quick go through. But Micro Machines are kind of neat to see. Back at the NECA, we're still looking for some Turtles. That Bob Ross is cool. I need to pick it up one day. Can we talk about how many Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles things there are? I mean, to have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles with Stranger Things is kind of ridiculous. Looks like a different Walmart. We're back to the Lady J's and the WWE, the Baby Yodas for days. The Origins. Good Lord, can a guy get a new Origin figure? Because those, what you just saw, are there all the stinking time. Mandalorian and Star Wars retro figures are pretty cool, and I've been visiting some local, I guess, vintage toy stores, and Star Wars figures are outrageous. So retro is honestly the way of going about it. If you're not that big of an originalist, you kind of get the same figures for what they are. Turtles, I would actually start collecting the Turtles on the card, but all they have is like the shell pack or the pizza throwers, and I'm not very interested in those. Again, another backlot here, or not backlot, a backside, some Stranger Things, some E.T., some Bam Bam Bigelow. That Bam Bam Bigelow pop's cool. Had the painted head, the tattooed head. That was pretty gnarly. Albus Dumbledore. Found a Harry Potter. We didn't get it, but we found a Harry Potter pop. That's what our Target NECA section, or the back section, looks like. A lot of glow, a lot of Marvel. The Funko Pops, which if you followed this channel for a while, we really do enjoy a Funko Pop. It's just that the selection of Funko Pops aren't that great. Oh, I got the Turtles, got some non-mutants. There's the Rat King. You can always get a Rat King. Hello YouTube Nation, welcome back for week 2 of the vlog of going toy hunting. I've got a box and I've got something that I actually finally purchased in one of the store videos that you saw. I think, and I've got to do some research for this, but I think I have finally completed
my Moon Knight Funko Pop collection from the first TV shows on Disney Plus. So this I got. Let's take it out of the box. You can't really see it all that well. All right, so I ended up off the shelves of Target picking up the Hippo Goddess Tawert. I don't know how to say its name. You can blow me up about it, but I really do love the pop. I'll show you a picture of it right here of how it looks out of the box. But I'm excited to be able to. I do know that I'm an oversized Khonshu away, but I am excited to have this Moon Knight figure and get them all collected. I got all the pops out. I kind of rotate through displaying, so I'm going to have to rotate this one as well. Alrighty, so the next item up for bids we have is a big old box from BBTS on what I got. So let's take a look and see here. So let's open this. Alright, opened. Okay, so as you can see inside the box here, we have some plastic wrap, and if you can see that, we went down a rabbit hole. So first up, Bucky O'Hare Bruiser. I would have thought that would have been taller, but boy, oh boy, is that heavy. Next up, look at that, Jenny from Bucky O'Hare. Gotta get a few more of these. Reaching in the box. Hey, we got Bucky himself. Bucky O'Hare. All right. And then, oh yeah, I forgot. We did get Sunman. He was on sale, so we decided to pick up Sunman. So those are my purchases for this go around. Alright, so for me this go around, we did go one Masters of the Universe. We went Sunman, which I've never had a figure of Sunman before, so I'm looking forward to cracking that open and having a peek. Then we went with Bucky O'Hare, who got number 1 there. Can't wait to get that. Obviously you can't see it because of that. So that's Bucky O'Hare in the new line from, is it Boss Fight, I think? Yeah, Boss Fight Studios. Pretty cool thing. Of that, Jenny, I believe first time figure, because this wasn't in the original series, but she was in the cartoon, and then one of the all-time greats of Bruiser. So that's what I got this week. What'd you get this week? Comment down below and let us know what you purchased this week.